The United States has ordered its non-emergency diplomat to leave Myanmar and growing violence in that country. The Arab coalition has destroyed 2 drones launched by Houthi rebels towards Saudi Arabia's Jizan region. United Nations Secretary General Antony Guterres has said that ending the 10-year conflict in Syria is the collective responsibility of the international community. Afghan President says peace agreement needs to be endorsed by Loya Jirga. The World Health Organization has released a report on the global tracking of COVID-19 outbreaks, including a pathway of virus and future investigation in different countries. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken has warned that human rights are declining around the world and what to do more in this connection. US State Department report on human rights practices in different countries has revealed that societal violence based on religion and caste continues to be a serious concern in India. In Afghanistan, 19 militants have been killed in Helmand province during the latest clashes with security forces. In Pakistan, a meeting of National Coordination Committee for COVID-19 is in progress in Islamabad.